Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and I want to show you this today. No, not the camera, the mount. Check out this. Now what these are some just cheap Amazon camera mounts that you can get. I will put a link in the description down below. And what they're great for is replacing your finger mounts for your GoPros, your Action 2, or any other camera that uses the GoPro style finger mount. Now what's great about it is they come in a 2-pack and you get a red one and a black one. And what's even better than that is not only do you get red anodized and black anodized, but like I said, they're all aluminum. They come with the actual finger mount itself. You have the all aluminum thumb screw, except for the threads, of course, that is metal. They give you an Allen wrench because you can actually put a wrench on this and crank down on that sucker and get it nice tight. And you get a tiny little washer. I know it's hard to see that, but you want to put the washer on your threads. The actual finger mount itself has a built-in nut, so no nut to fall out or lose, and you just screw that on. You want the washer between the thumb screw and the finger mount itself, because when this starts to get tight, if it's with aluminum on aluminum, it tends to gall up and get like really tight quick and won't allow you to twist it because of the friction. But by putting that little steel spacer in there, it allows you to get more of a turn on it by hand. So super cool. They do have the 1/4-20 thread in the bottom. They look really nice. Like I said, they'll work on any action camera that uses the finger style mounts like so. And they're just very nice. As of this video, you get 2 for $13. How cool is that? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip, show you these little finger mounts. I thought they were really inexpensive and very super cool. And I just wanted you guys to know that they were out there and to be able to take advantage. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.